Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version on Android. So if you're encountering that problem or seeing that message whenever you search for an app and try to install it, I'm going to show you some ways to fix that problem. First is look for Play Store in your Android device and hold it. Then next is click on App Info. Now from here, scroll down, then click on Storage and Cache. Now from here, start by clicking on Clear Cache, then also Clear Storage. Confirm deletion by clicking on Delete, and another way is head back, then click on Force Stop, press OK, and try launching Play Store once again by clicking or launching the app once again. See if the problem is now solved. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!